Hi everyone! Welcome to the 1 Minute Pookie Cooking Show. Today we will make some apple pie. Guaranteed delicious! So you are first going to grab your apple. Now that you have your apple, rip out the little brown thing, that what it is called, and drop it in your pot. Now you shall go ahead and grab your pie part. Asterisk snatches asterisk. Now drop it in or slay pot. Next, get a mixy thing to mix it into a pie. Now mixed, snatch out or pie and it will magically turn into an apple pie. I hope you enjoy your slay pie. Have a good rest of your day.